not say. I want to say by hook, not by crook. But I want to say, after hard work and after supporters, all the people of Bangladesh and all over the world, supporters and after paid their votes, Alhaj Tareq Rahman, inshallah, will become Prime Minister of Bangladesh, inshallah, within this week. And he will read the oath within this week, inshallah. So, people of Bangladesh and supporters of BNP and BCSP and others political parties supporters, they must be glad, because Tareq Rahman is a honest and he is a fit person for Prime Minister of Bangladesh. For this reason, every citizen of Bangladesh and people of the world and all creations of Bangladesh and all over the world will or must be glad, because fit son of Ziaur Rahman, like father, like son, like mother, like son, Ziaur Rahman, his son, and his educated or active or very good person and popular person. He is our Alhaj Tareq Rahman, chairman of BNP and leaders of all the parties, because he is chairman of BNP. It is right, this statement is correct, but he is leader of the all parties, because he is the best leader, and Tareq Rahman is the world leader. Inshallah, Tareq Rahman is the world leader of Bangladesh and all